YouTube video tutorial of the Somersault King level 4 Royal Conservatory. Okay, I'm going to do it really slow first. So you can watch this before you practice, okay? Sorry, I got mixed up, sorry. Then you go back to the beginning. And so on. So, and then you keep going until you get to the coda, and when you do the coda, you do this. Then I'm going to play it faster. This is going to be like a faster version, so I think it's pretty fast.